Domino Effect. This is Max Redham with the Max's Mental Minute Podcast, and today is day 51 of the push-up challenge. So today we're going to talk about dominoes. I want you to imagine a row of dominoes, each one double the size of the last. When you knock over the first domino, they're all going to fall down. Head to YouTube and type in domino chain reaction. There's a great 1 minute video that basically shows this process. It's really interesting. Definitely take a look at it. Why does this matter though? It teaches us the power of momentum and how small things and small wins can create bigger gains over time. Showing up to the gym equals working out, equals being healthier, equals feeling better, equals living longer. How can you compound small gains like how we're doing in our push-up challenge every single day in your life? Execute today. Thank you for checking out Max's Mental Minute. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a rating or review. Let's close the gap. Day one, every day.